Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 30 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a music player animation in Figma. I have collected all the required icons and important elements. Now let's design for the animation that will show up when we click the play button. I am taking a circular shape and filling it with a gradient. I am adding some music icons. This will appear on the first screen when music is paused or not yet played. Now duplicate it and change the gradient style. Now duplicate and rotate the shape. Continue duplicating it until we achieve the position where we have started. These are for play animation that we will show on the next screen. Now select all except the first one and make them a component set. Now add a prototype. I am adding an after delay trigger with smart animation because I want it to trigger automatically when I switch to that screen. Now place the first design on the first screen, and the animated component on the second screen. Change the button on the second screen. Now add a prototype to switch screens. I am adding an on-click trigger on the play and pause buttons. Let's test it. Switching is working fine, but due to the gradient, it's not properly showing animation. Let's fix that. I have duplicated the circle, but this time with a lighter shade fill and lower opacity. Apply the same to the fourth variant also. And then to the sixth one. To give a bouncy feel or effect. So now it's giving a beautiful bouncy animation. Now I am grouping the icons inside the circle and rotating them a bit gradually in every component. Here you go. So, our proper bouncy and rotating animation for the music player is ready. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.